Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making banana cream pie. This dreamy dessert has a wonderful banana flavor. I promise you, it's super easy and incredibly delicious, and your family will feel all the love that you've put into this delicious creamy pie with every bite of buttery graham cracker crust and rich vanilla pudding chock full of fresh banana slices. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the entire recipe in the description box below. For the graham cracker crust, first melt 6 tablespoons of salted butter. Add a 1/4 cup of sugar. We could only get salted from the market today. If you have unsalted, just add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then measure out 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, and this will be about 10 to 12 graham crackers, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix this all together and press it firmly into a 9-inch pie plate. I like to use a flat bottom glass to press out the bottom and then press up the sides with my fingers. Bake in a 350-degree oven for about 12 minutes until it begins to turn golden. Then cool this completely before filling, and that'll take about 20 or 30 minutes. For this banana cream pie filling, we're going to start with the star, 4 large, ripe, but firm bananas, and slice them about a 1/4 inch thick, and then set these aside. If you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make homemade food that's easy and delicious and perfect for sharing with everyone you love. I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. Now for the filling. All you need are these simple ingredients, a whisk and a saucepan to create a creamy homemade vanilla pudding. Measure out a 1/2 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and whisk it together to blend. Add the 3 egg yolks and 2 eggs. And whisk this vigorously until it's nice and smooth, making sure to get all along the sides. Then mix in 3 cups of milk and 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now cook this over medium heat for about 10 minutes, whisking it often, and using your whisk to get along the sides and the bottom. Continue to cook until it comes to a simmer with gentle bubbles, and you'll see the pudding begin to thicken. Reduce the heat and continue to let this simmer for about 3 more minutes, and you'll want to keep whisking this the entire time. And that's it! You've just made rich, silky, homemade vanilla pudding. Let this cool for about 5 minutes. Then add in 2 tablespoons of butter and whisk this into the pudding until it's completely melted. Then add in the sliced bananas and gently fold them into the pudding. Pour the pudding into the crust, smoothing it evenly to the sides and across the top. Then chill this pie for at least 6 to 8 hours, or overnight. Top with fresh vanilla whipped cream. I've included the recipe below. And I like to be generous with the whipped cream and pile it high so everyone gets plenty. I hope you get a chance to savor this luscious banana cream pie. It's really easy, and it tastes just like your grandma or favorite auntie or diner on the corner might have made. If you like this recipe, consider sharing our channel with a friend. And if you love to entertain, check out our potluck favorites playlist. And here's another recipe that I think you'll like. I'll see you in the next video.